In the distant future, when humanity had already left Earth's orbit, the stars became their last hope. But no one ever imagined that the key to saving mankind wouldn't lie in human hands, but in the paws of a dog. REX was born in a secret laboratory in Corellia. His mother was a highly intelligent shepherd, and his father a cybernetic prototype of a combat dog. Scientists raised REX from birth using AI-enhanced learning. He understood commands, read symbols, and even played chess with machines. Rex's internal monologue: "I am not an ordinary dog. I'm part of something greater. I was created for a mission no human dared to accept." Training montages, zero-gravity simulations, emergency drills, psychological testing. REX isn't treated like a pet, he's a valued crew member. Last seen on Earth. Rex watches the sunset. "I had a feeling I might never see that light again." The spaceship Loyal One takes off. REX, strapped in the capsule, hears his heart pounding. He says a mental goodbye to Earth. Mid-journey, a gravitational anomaly drags the ship into a wormhole. REX wakes up in a distant galaxy. The ship crash lands on a strange planet. He's greeted by sentient beings, the Moon Wolves. They speak through telepathy and call him the Chosen One. Their leader speaks, "You are the one foretold by the stars. It is time to change the fate of worlds." Rex must prove his heart and soul, cross the silent cliffs, rescue a cub from a lava lake, and show compassion even in danger. He succeeds not by force, but by sacrifice and honor. The Moon Wolves ask him to stay and guide their cosmic alliance, but Rex knows Earth still needs him. They gift him an energy crystal, a source of ancient power capable of restoring Earth's balance. He returns to the ship, no longer just a dog, but a guardian of interstellar wisdom. REX returns to Earth, welcomed as a hero. The scientists are stunned the ship was lost for 10 years, but for REX, only weeks had passed. Final shot, he sits by the window, gazing at the stars, hearing the distant whisper of the Moon Wolves. "We are waiting for you, brother." End credits, music, channel logo.